Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher, Nancy Pandey. So, students, today I am going to teach you English grammar. Chapter number 7, Adjectives. So students, in previous video you studied about what are adjectives and their examples. So students, now we are going to do the exercise of this chapter. So students, before starting this exercise, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, describing words are called adjectives. Adjective describe a person, place, animal or thing. They tell us about the color, shape, size and number of the noun. So students, the words that describe a person, place, animal or thing are called adjective. The example of adjectives are kind, old, loving, pretty, funny, smart, etc. Now students, let's do the exercise of this chapter. Underline the adjectives. Students, here some sentences are given. You have to underline the adjective. Let's do the first one. Sina is a good girl. So students, here our adjective is good because it describes the girl. The second one is that is a scary insect. So students, in this sentence, scary is an adjective. You have to underline the word scary. The word scary describe about insect. That insect is a scary. Now let's come to the third one. That is a wooden chair. So students, here the adjective is wooden. So you have to underline the word wooden. It describes about chair. Now let's come to the fourth one. Abhay is a tall boy. So students, here the word tall describe about a boy. So in this sentence, tall is an adjective. Now let's come to the fifth one. We should always eat fresh fruits. So students, the word fresh describe about fruits, that the fruits are fresh. So here the adjective is fresh. You have to underline the word fresh. Now let's come to the sixth one. The students wear blue uniform. The student wear blue uniforms. So students, here the word blue describe about uniforms. It describe the color of uniform. So here blue is an adjective. You have to underline the word blue. Now let's come to the seventh sentence. Lalita is playing with her little sister. So students, the word little describe about sister. That the Lalita's sister is little. So here adjective is little. Now let's come to the 8th sentence. There are 2 roses and 4 lilies in that vase. Here the word 2 and 4 are the adjectives because it describes the numbers of roses and lilies. Now let's come to the 9th sentence. The cheerful girls are making colorful posters. So students, the word cheerful and colorful describes about girls and posters. So in this sentence, cheerful and colorful both are adjectives. So you have to underline the both word. Now let's come to the 10th sentence. The hungry man had 4 buns, 2 eggs and a glass of orange juice. So students, here the word hungry, 4 and 2 are the adjective. You have to underline the word hungry, then 4 and 2. So in this sentence there are 3 adjectives. The word hungry describe about man and 4 describe about buns and 2 describe about eggs. Now this exercise is completed. Let's do some practice. A. Fill in the blanks using adjectives from the box. So students, here some adjectives are given in the box. You have to choose the correct adjective and write in the given blank. Nitya has blank hair. She never grows her hair long. So students, here you have to write short in the given blank. Nitya has short hair. She never grows her hair long. Now let's come to the second one. It is a cloudy day. It might rain. Here you have to fill cloudy in the given blank. Now let's come to the third one. My sister bakes blank cakes. So students, in this sentence you have to write delicious in the given blank. My sister bakes delicious cakes. Okay. Now let's come to the fourth one. Manas bought a blank bedsheet from Jaipur. So here you have to fill pink in the given blank. Manas bought a pink bedsheet from Jaipur. Now let's come to the fifth one. Spiders have blank legs. So students, you know very well spiders have 8 legs. So you have to fill 8 in the given blank. Now let's come to the sixth one. The soldier is a blank man. He has fought many battles. So students, you know the soldiers are very brave. So here you have to write the soldier is a brave man. He has fought many battles. Now look at Seventh sentence, Akhil is a blank boy. He can lift heavy boxes. So students, to lift heavy boxes, you have to strong. So Akhil is a strong boy. So you have to fill strong in the given blank. Now let's come to the eighth sentence or last sentence. Monty is an blank boy. He can solve very difficult sum. So students, in this blank you have to fill intelligent. Monty is an intelligent boy. He can solve very difficult sums. Now let's come to the question number B. Write the opposites of these adjectives. So students, here some adjectives are given like tall, hard, heavy, big, rich, easy, slow, near. Here you have to write the opposite words of these adjectives. Now let's do it. Tall, short. The opposite of tall is short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Next one is H-A-R-D, hard. So the opposite of hard is S-O-F-T, soft. Next adjective is heavy. So the opposite word of heavy is light. Fourth one is big, and the opposite of big is small. Fifth one is rich. So opposite of rich is poor. Sixth one is easy. The opposite of easy is difficult. Next one is slow. The opposite of slow is fast. Now the last adjective is near. That opposite of near is far. So students, I hope you understand the adjective and exercises of adjectives by this video. So students, you have to do these exercises in your fair copy and you have to practice this also. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to do all the homework or assignment which is given during live class. Thank you students. Bye and take care.